Kalgoorlie and Coolgardie, places famous for gold mines, are located in? Answer A. Australia. Tadoba National Park, known for sheltering tiger, panther, and bear, is located in? Answer B. Chandrapur, Maharashtra. In geography, who propounded the theory of convectional current hypothesis? Answer A. Arthur Holmes. Apatenis are the tribes found in? Answer D. Arunachal Pradesh. Genoa is leading seaport of? Answer C. Italy. The year dash is called a great divide in the demographic history of India. Answer B. 1921. Villandra Lake region, a UNESCO heritage site, is located in? Answer B. Australia. The only private sector refinery set up by Reliance Petroleum Limited is located at? Answer B. Jamnagar. The only state in India that produces saffron is? Answer C. Jammu and Kashmir. The headquarters of International Astronomical Union IAU is located in? Answer D. Paris, France. With which country in the year 2010 did India propose to develop a solar city in India? Answer A. Japan. The Barak River is a famous river of? Answer D. Manipur Hills. The headquarters of Northwestern Railway is located in? Answer D. Jaipur. Three important rivers of the Indian subcontinent have their sources near the Mansoor Lake in the Great Himalayas. These rivers are? Answer C. Brahmaputra, Indus and Sutlej. The zonal soil type of peninsular India belongs to? Answer A. Red soils. The largest river of all the west flowing rivers of the peninsular India is? Answer D. Narmada. Between the valley of Narmada river in the north and the Tapti in the south lies? Answer A. The Satpura range. Scunthorpe and Frodingham are? Answer A. The main mining centers of Britain. First metro railway was inaugurated in Kolkata. Answer C. 1984. India's first stock exchange, Bombay Stock Exchange, was established in? Answer A. 1875. Umeem Multipurpose Power Project is located in? Answer B. Meghalaya. The world's largest producer of natural gas is? Answer C. Russia. Xinhua is the official news agency of? Answer B. China. The index which refers to moisture deficit or surplus in an area is called? Answer A. Moisture index. The study of plant communicates in relation to their habitats of a given ecosystem is known as? Answer B. Synecology. The instrument which measures The intensity of solar radiation is called answer C. Solarimeter. Any wind blowing down the slope of a mountain is called answer B. Katabatic wind. The zone of low atmospheric pressure and ascending air located at or near the equator is called answer A. Intertropical Convergence Zone ITCZ. Indian state known as Garden Spice is answer C. Kerala. Rajiv Gandhi Environment Award is given for outstanding contribution to answer D. Contribution to the development of neat technology. Sandstone, conglomerate, limestone, shell potash, loess, geyserite, chalk, coal, chert, halite are the example of answer C. Sedimentary rocks. The second most important agro-based industry of India after textiles is answer D. Sugar industry. As per 2011 census of India, the state which registered lowest sex ratio female per thousand males is answer B. Haryana. Cells are dense tropical rainforests of answer A. South America. Seasonal movement of people and their herds from valley to mountain and vice versa is known as answer B. Transhumance. The industrial region of India, which has the predominance of metal industries, is answer B. Chota Nagpur region. The mean thickness of oceanic crust and continental crust is around answer C. 5 km and 30 km respectively. Mahe and Janam are the parts of the Union Territory of answer D. Puducherry. The most important breed of wool producing sheep in the world is answer B. Merino. Saar is a famous field in answer D. Germany. The place city located at the confluence of river Euphrates and Tigris is answer D. Baghdad. Which of the rock formations in India is the richest in fossil content? Answer C. Gondwana. India's first marine national park is located in answer A. The Gulf of Mannar. Singareni Coalfields is located in answer C. Godavari Valley. Pochampat irrigation project lies on answer B. Godavari. Which planet is known as sister of Earth? Answer B. Venus. The study of universe is called answer C. Cosmology. The large natural ecosystem comprised of abiotic land, air, water and soils of the concerned habitat and biotic plants, animal and microorganism is called answer C. Bio. Tilhaya Dam, Konhar Dam, Mithon Dam and Panchi Hill Dam have been constructed under answer B. The Damodar Valley Project. Titagar, Amli, and Nipanagar are known for answer D. Paper industry.